Grand awakening, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic and money, all your way. Thank you, Georgia, for the welcome. New house, new home, new life. This is a great elevation. My word of the day for you guys, inspiration is time, is a misconception. Stop lying to ourselves saying that we have enough time. In the universe, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock means nothing. Therefore, understand that life continues to move forward. Therefore, you should also understand when someone, an opportunity is in your life and your energy as far as your blessing, romantically, financially, or a part of your healing, take advantage of it. Do not hold off and say, I have time. Because we're all evolving. Life is not stopping. This world is big enough, but small enough for us to aid every single soul here. And that person's on a journey. So despite what your relationship with them, they have a bigger calling. Therefore, I don't want you chasing your blessings. Spirit doesn't want you chasing your opportunities. Spirit does not want you chasing your healing. So when someone is there, when this presents itself, don't worry about financial strengths. Don't worry about transportation, because put it in prayer. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, whatever you like to call it, will bring those discounts. They're going to make sure they bring that transportation. But do not feel as though you have time and talk yourself out of it, because people are here for a season and for a reason. And if you're lucky, the right one will be there for a lifetime. But do not think you have time. Be your best self. Move forward, progress, and take advantage. Because you are chosen and you're trusted. That's why you're given the opportunity. So when given the opportunity, take advantage, whatever it may be. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.